In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Docusign Autoplace fields on templates. This tutorial is designed to help you efficiently utilize Docusign's Autoplace feature, streamlining your electronic signature experience. Let's dive right in. To start, open your web browser and head over to the Docusign website. As you may know, Docusign is a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, enabling seamless transactions and agreements online. Once the website loads, you'll need to click on the Login button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, so have those handy to avoid any delays. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Docusign homepage. This is like your digital command center where you can access all the templates and tools you need to manage your documents. Now you need to select a template. Templates in Docusign simplify your document management processes, allowing for easy repetition of commonly used agreements or contracts. Once you have your desired template open, the next step is adding the necessary details. Remember, this includes specifying any unique information pertinent to the current transaction or agreement to ensure everything is tailored and accurate. Having filled in the details, it's time to move on by clicking the next button. This action guides you to the section where you can configure the fields that will appear on your document. Here's where we really start to get into the meat of setting up your autoplace fields. You'll now see an option to select a field. This could be a signature field, date field, or any other data input required for the document. Selecting the right field is crucial because it determines how and where the recipients will input their information or signatures. Now, another important aspect is choosing the correct location for these fields on your document. To ensure a smooth signing process, click on the location option. It enables you to precisely place fields on your document, ensuring that they are correctly aligned with the associated information or sections. Finally, we arrive at the key feature, Autoplace. Clicking on Autoplace allows you to automate the positioning of fields across documents with similar formats or structures, saving a significant amount of time and reducing human error. By using keywords or anchor text, Autoplace can consistently and accurately position your fields, ensuring uniformity across your templates. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you can set up Docusign Autoplace fields on your templates, making your document workflow more efficient and hassle-free. By leveraging these features, you not only save time but also enhance the reliability and accuracy of your electronic agreements. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy tutorials on managing your digital documents effectively.